White blood cells are produced in the bone marrow, and they're simply there to fight off infections and diseases. But if you have more than 11,000 white blood cells per microliter of blood, it's considered to be high. Now, why is there an uptick of white blood cells? Common sense would tell us that your body has some kind of infection or some kind of a bacteria in it. I don't want to scare anybody, but often when your blood cell is too high, because white blood cells are produced in your bone marrow, it could talk toward maybe bone cancer or something going on in the bone marrow in your blood. It's often bone related, but without more information on this, I wouldn't know. But I don't know how high your blood count is. Is it 11,000? Did they tell you 11,000? Is it more than 11,000 per microliter of blood? If it's more than that, it is considered to be high. But often it means that you have, so white blood cells in the bone marrow are strictly there to fight infection and diseases. And so when the blood count goes up, it means that your body is producing more infection and bacteria than what the normal count of blood cells can keep up with. So your blood cells elevate, your white blood cell count goes up in order to fight off the infection or whatever's going on. I'm not a doctor, so I wouldn't be able to tell you. You would definitely would have to have more information as to why, especially as to how high your blood count is. How high is it? Is it more than 11,000? Is it less than 11,000? But from where I come from, more than 11,000 white blood cell count is considered high. So most likely you have. But again, I'm not a doctor, so I can't say, but without any more background. But yeah, often it just means you have an infection or a disease or some kind of bacteria maybe in your bone marrow or in your bones that is elevating the blood count because it's having to go higher to try to fight off whatever is going on in there. So I ask your doctor, I don't know, maybe they could do more tests. Without more background, I wouldn't be able to help you on this one.